Oh, those are used. Those are used. Those are used.
How you doing today?
Doing really good.
What do you guys use your honey for?
I use honey for all kind of things. Yeah, I mean, I cook with it. I'll put it in like tea. Yeah, all kind of things for honey.
You had orange blossom before?
I've had it before.
Area.
Oh, that one's really good.
It's a palmetto.
You guys have your own hives?
We used to. Now we just source from local apiaries and beekeepers that can't come to farmers markets.
How far do you spread to get honey?
We stick to the Central Florida area.
Yeah. Yeah, that's so cool though. Could I try the ginseng honey too? Have you found that it's true that honey never goes bad?
Yes. As long as you don't contaminate it.
Yeah.
You leave it open. It's in a container, and it's in a cool, dry place. It'll go good.
That's crazy.
It may change like its flavor,
Yeah.
flavor, but it's not gonna be bad.
What else do you recommend? You said holly, I think, right? Is the Brazilian pepper tree spicy?
No. Now we do have a spicy honey.
Oh, can I try that?
The spicy honey?
Woo!
Wow.
That was really good. Okay, we definitely have to do that for sure.
Like this size? No.
Oh, those are used. Those are used. Those are used.
Sucia. Yeah.
This is the lemon one here.
Lemon heads, lemon.
Oh, you don't even taste it.
That's amazing. All right, so the 3-alarm and the lemon, please.
Three alarm and lemon.
Wow.
You got it.
You undersold the lemon. That one's fantastic.